Hello my friends, I hope you're having a fabulous day. I want to share how to make a healthy, easy weeknight meal that rivals anything you would get in takeout for sure, and possibly rivals even some dine-in restaurants. Okay, so what we're doing is we're making a simple bowl or plate with a protein, and I'm using king salmon, and this is from Sizzlefish. And if I have any codes for any of this, like I know I do for Costa Rica, the Redmonds, I may for Sizzlefish, I'll link it all. But I love Sizzlefish, all their fish, but this is king salmon. And then I've got some Brussels that I got already prepared. They were in a microwave bag, but I took them out, sliced them very thinly. We're gonna roast those. Then I had a farmer's market sweet potato, and I went ahead and I microwaved it to get it tender, and then I'm gonna slice it and we're gonna roast it along with these other things. Healthy whole food is really easy, and you don't need a recipe. You just need to know how to cook it, how to season it, and what temperature. The first thing we're going to do is get this salmon in the air fryer. Fish is so good in the air fryer. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, I would do 400 degrees in a normal oven, but an air fryer cooks with more air circulation, so you reduce the heat. So I'm gonna do 375, and I'm gonna put it on the air fryer tray, but first I'm gonna season it. Not gonna season the skin side. I'm just going to drizzle it with this Costa Rica EVOO, my favorite EVOO. I am going to just season this with a little Old Bay. Old Bay is just a good old faithful. It just makes any seafood pop. It's really all you need. And then with that oil, you just rub it in. And I like to put some on the sides, just like this. And I've got a little Creole seasoning, so just to add a little complexity, pat it in like that and into the air fryer. I always wash my hands after I've touched meat, anything raw. So now we're gonna get these Brussels in the oven. Now I'm using my favorite bakeware, Caraway Home. I do have a code for that. I always use larger than I need, where air will circulate around each individual piece, and if they're crowded too close together, the sprouts will steam rather than crisp up. And that holds true for any other veggie that you're roasting. So Costa Rica EVOO, Redmond's real salt, which retains all of its minerals, are 98%, 97%. Love Redmond's. I feel like I know I'm getting minerals and all the good stuff. And then I'm just going to toss this. No need for any spray, but I'm going to tell you I'm using spray, and I'm going to tell you why. I have an avocado oil spray that I like to use just to make sure every single piece is coated, in case I didn't massage it quite enough. So you see, you need all this room to get these super crispy. I love this Trader Joe's avocado oil spray. So we have EVOO. Now we've got avocado, and I'm going to put a little more Redmond's, a little more pepper, and a little more garlic salt. See, look how easy. This is so easy. Okay, now that I've seasoned, now you're gonna see another reason I used a big pan. I'm going to multitask. So I'm gonna spread these out. They're really not touching, so I think they're gonna crisp up nicely. And I'm going to take this baked sweet potato, this microwaved sweet potato. You see the middle's not completely cooked. And I'm going to take the skin off. See how it slices? Just glides right through. And I'm just going to lay these slices right there. Plenty of room, a little Redmond's, and we are going to put some cinnamon. These are so good, guys. It's so easy. And a little maple syrup. It's better to put some in a bowl rather than pour it, because you'll waste. Maple syrup is not inexpensive. So I'm brushing it on just like this. I watch this through the window. If one of these starts cooking faster than the other, these are easy to take off. And since these are cooked, they're basically just crisping up. But I'll watch them and just make sure that I get them off if they need to be gotten off. So sooner. So the salmon is in the air fryer. This is going in a 400 oven to cook, and we shall be back. My salmon got done, my salmon got done sooner than the Brussels, so I'm going to put it in foil, make a little oven to keep it warm, make a little warming oven, and I'm gonna put some lemon juice. Just gonna put a little lemon juice, and I'm going to put a little, because I'm gonna put this on the Brussels sprouts too, Nonna Balsamic Glaze. It's pure balsamic vinegar and pure sugar, cane sugar. So we're gonna wrap our salmon and just keep it warm. I've got to show you all this. I used to love to have a glass of wine every time I cook, but in midlife, I started noticing, for me, I just didn't wake up feeling great the next morning. This is a non-alcoholic wine made in France with, of course, French grapes, and it's made just like wine, and they extract a gentle extraction of just the alcohol, and it leaves every note, every grape, every angle, and these bubbles. I don't know if y'all can see, and I'm obsessed. And every time I share this, so many of you, well, my Insta peeps, but now I'm sharing it with you, buy this, and I've gotten so much feedback. I'm going to show you the bottle, and my apologies, it's a beautiful bottle with the gold foil. I cannot find my stopper, so I'm about to order one right now. This is the Blanc de Blanc. I also have a Rosé Brut. The bubbles are spectacular. The cork pops. It's just like you're drinking champagne or Rosé Brut. It is exceptional. Zane and I discovered this at Barnsley Gardens. It's a fabulous resort that we went to about 6 weeks ago, and they served this at their fine restaurant. They actually had it at both. I fell in love, and I have enjoyed the ritual, the feel, the slight burn, the bubbles, and I stay clear, and I wake up and I'm able to go do my 6 o'clock workout feeling great. So if you're looking for an NA wine that is actual wine, the alcohol removed rather than sparkling grape juice, I'm going to link to this. And I will say this has won numerous awards, and I want to say this one is like 92 points, and I think the Rosé may be 91, but could not love this more. Have it at the lake, have it here, could not enjoy it more. So you all stay tuned. I'll be back when those Brussels and sweet potatoes get done, and we'll put this plate together. Okay, dinner is ready to be plated. Guys, it is quite a good thing that this is NA because I'm a guzzler. So here's what we have. I'm going to drizzle these with the Nonna peas. Let me show you what we're going to do if it's not too hot. This is great because I've got enough for leftovers. See, I'm just massaging. This is so much better to get them all coated with a little glove. Just trying not to touch the baking sheet. Those are fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, y'all, look at that. I'm gonna get 2. Actually, I'm gonna get 3. I'm gonna get that baby right there. I'm gonna need to soak my pan. I will say, even with caraway syrup or honey or molasses, it will stick to the pan, but it'll be easy to get up. I'm going to unwrap the salmon and place it right there. And there's some of that lemon juice. Okay, my friends, this took, let me tell you very quickly, the salmon, I took it straight out of the freezer and I put it in cold water, and in about 20-25 minutes it was flexible, and then I cut it out, patted it dry, and did the seasoning and cooked it. All together, this microwaved about 8 minutes, and then when everything was ready to cook, this took less than an hour. It's probably about 45 minutes. You have a whole food, healthy, non-inflammatory dinner. This could also be a lunch. Omega-3s, minerals, healthy fats. This is perfect for 1 or 2. So cooking for 1 or 2 can be this easy. And then anything left over, just put it in the fridge and reheat it the next day. It really is almost as easy as driving to wherever you would go to get something like this, and it's definitely healthier. I hope that this was helpful to you in some way. I'm very grateful to those of you who are watching. If you enjoy my content, I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep bringing content that hopefully will be a blessing to you and your family. And as always, until next time, be blessed and stay savvy.